man?
Photo shoot, huh? How you doing, man?
Good, man. How are you?
Good.
Good deal.
Good, sharp, man.
Thanks, man. Thanks. So what's going on? Everything looks good?
You ready, man?
I'm ready, dude. I'm ready.
Today's the
ready.
day.
Today is the day. You know, this has been a long 10 days. Can't wait to see exactly how the car drives and what we get out of it. So, all right, family, I am leaving. I will see you guys later. All right. So I want to take an opportunity to, in this video, talk a little bit about what made me choose to get a Nissan Skyline. Basically, I've always wanted a Nissan Skyline since I was a little jit, you know, since I was a little small kid. When the right one came around, I decided, okay, this is the one. We're definitely gonna pick this up. So, a couple things I looked at. I looked at first how to import one in, and that's just way too much work, guys. You know, if you're gonna go through the entire process, you know, good luck to you. I didn't go that route. My route was Google. I got on Google, and I've been looking for years. You know, and not because there was hundreds of them available, you know, here in the States. You know, but price, mileage, condition, originality, you know, how original is the car? Is it full of, you know, modifications and stuff that, you know, some guy in California did that, you know, that's gonna affect me and my performance and what I have envisioned for the car? So you know, so that's, you know, those were the four major things I looked at. 76,000 miles, original miles. The only modifications on the car is it's been painted, and you'll know how I found that out later on in some other videos. And it has an exhaust, a custom radio, and that's it. Everything's original, even the battery. The battery is all in Japanese. So this is what I was looking for. I was looking for something this original, just so I can really document from scratch. Okay, so we just got here to work. All right, guys, so we just got here to shift in the gear. Say hello to my boy Yoshi. All right. Some of the crazy stuff we do here. We specialize a lot in LS. Don't worry, we're not gonna swap the GTS. Wink, wink. So this one's Yoshi's, and the one that's not running is mine, obviously.
Right there, man.
Oh,
that Supra right there.
The Supra?
Yeah.
The Supra don't want that GTR, man. That Supra, the only thing that Supra has is a fat ass. That's it.
I love fat asses, man.
Yeah, me too.
The first thing comes to me. First thing you look at.
See if I can get close to that Supra.